Hey, y'all want to learn how I wire wrap my arrowheads? Y'all just keep on watching. We got a tutorial video coming right up. All right, y'all. So I'm going to show y'all a super simple way to wrap arrowheads. It's the way that I like to do it. I like it because it's simple. We're all about simplicity here. So here's a little blue glass arrowhead we made on live the other night over on TikTok. What we got here, we got some 22 gauge German style bead-alon round medium temper wire. Here's the packaging, if you guys need to see that. All right, let's get it wrapped up. So we're going to take our wire right here, and we're going to have a few tools though. This is flush cut pliers here. These are nylon jaw pliers. These are round nose pliers, and this is a Bead Smith treasure mat with tray. This thing is awesome. You can get these on Amazon. I think they're relatively inexpensive. They hold all the little bits and bobs that keep you from losing all your little jewelry pieces. So I use mine all the time. All right, so we're going to go here. We're going to go about center of the wire. Okay, so center of our little loop of wire. And we're going to start wrapping that around through the notches and across the front of the arrowhead, till we get a few good wraps on there. You want these wraps to stay pretty tight, y'all, because it looks bad if they come undone. All right, and then we're going to go with our fingers back here in the back. So here's what the front looks like. We're going to take our fingers back here in the back, and we're going to twist these two wires together. Now we want that original twist to be about center of this part of the arrowhead. Okay, then we're going to take our round nose, or our nylon jaw pliers, and go ahead and tighten that twist up a little bit. And then I'm going to take my fingers and extend that twist a little bit further. This is the way I like to do it. You can actually just make a loop with the wire, but I find this to be a little bit easier. And sometimes I think it looks better. Sometimes I think the loop looks better. But we are going to do this. Now, as far as wire wrapping goes, there's lots of different ways to do this, y'all. There's no right way. There's no wrong way. Just do it so that it looks good for you, okay? So here's what we got. We got a little extra wire at the bottom. We got the loops going all the way up. Okay, I'm going to take our round nose pliers and we're going to form that loop around it. You see what I did there? Now, ideally on the back, we want where these wires split to be about even with the base of the notches. So I moved that up a little bit so we're like so. All right, and then we're going to take that and go back around the arrowhead. Keep a finger here so we don't pull this looped part one way or another. And we're going to do a wrap. And we're going to do a wrap. Nothing real special there, guys, just a little wrap. And we're going to take this wire here, we're going to grab it with our fingers and start another twist. Okay, so we started our twist. We're going to grab our nylon jaw pliers and continue that twist until it's got a little bit of length to it, and I'll show you why here in a second. Take our flush cutters here, cut that off a little bit, and then we're going to take our round nose pliers. We're going to take this little twisted part here with the length on it, and we're going to tuck it down around and kind of under as best we can those wraps right there. You're not really trying to like tuck it all the way, but you do want it kind of buried. You don't want that sharp edge catching on clothing or anything like that. So there we go, guys. It is completed. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if this has helped you. If it has, definitely drop me a comment. Give me a follow or hit subscribe, and I'll be making more of this content in the future. So there's the side profile of it. All right, guys. Thank you.